Hello everyone, welcome back to Cooking with Sophia. Today we are making KFC fried chicken. You know, right? We are in the Christmas season, and what is Christmas without some fried chicken, and of course some KFC fried chicken as well. So if you are new to this channel, kindly subscribe, hit that bell so that anytime I post a new video, you'll be the first person to be notified. Let's get right into it. So to start with, I have with me some 4 drumsticks chicken. That's what I'm going to use for this recipe. You can use chicken wings, any part of chicken at all. So to that, I will spray my chicken with some vinegar. You can use lime or salt to do that, to get all the sliminess on the chicken very well. So I'll be using some salt, and I'll use my hand to rub it beautifully to get rid of any sliminess. Our chicken is all clean now, so let's add in some water and wash it very well. To get the perfect clean chicken, you can clean this for at least 2 to 3 times to get the best results. Moving forward, we're going to season our chicken. And what is KFC chicken without spiciness? Yes, so all you need is your all-purpose seasoning, some chicken spices, onion seasoning, garlic and ginger powder, curry powder, ground cinnamon powder, some nutmeg, and a salt to taste. So the salt is always to your taste. To that, I'll add in just 2 tablespoons of water, and I'll be using my hands to stir this beautifully to marinate very well. And after that, I'll keep this in my refrigerator for at least 4 hours to marinate very well, or you can even cover it for at least 30 minutes and you are good to go. And guys, today's video is being inspired by Sweet Ajele. She is my mentor, and she's the reason why I started YouTube, and she's the first female Ghanaian food blogger to hit 1 million subscribers. I love cooking, and anytime I watch Sweet Ajele's video, I feel like this woman makes cooking so easy. So let me give it a try. But guys, it's not easy as it is. Sweet, hey more too. Onto our chicken coating, we're going to need some all-purpose flour and some corn flour as well. To that, I'll add in some curry powder and some turmeric powder as well, some nutmeg, some chicken seasoning, all-purpose seasoning, and a salt to taste. Mix this until everything is nice and well incorporated, and we're going to set this aside. And all right, our chicken is ready after 4 hours, and it's ready. So we're going to coat this in our flour and we're going to fry this right away. And to my new and returning subscribers, you guys, I love you so much. Thank you guys for supporting me from day one. I really appreciate it. And if you haven't turned on the post notification bell, please do well, so that anytime I post a new video, you'll be the first person to be notified. So let's get back into our video. So after the first coating, this is a very cold water. I'm going to drop in my chicken, and I'm going to leave this for like 30 seconds, and I'll get it back to the flour again and coat it the second time. So after coating this for the second time, you can just drop this chicken into your hot oil and begin frying it. And remember to clean off any excess flour around your chicken before you fry it. Yes, so we are done with all our coating, and just look at how nice our chicken is looking right now. So next, into my hot oil, let's add in our chicken, and we're going to fry this on medium heat. And please make sure your fire is not too high, because when it's high, you're going to burn your chicken, and we don't want that. We want the inside and the outside of this chicken fried beautifully. So let's fry this until everything is nice and golden brown. And we are back to check on our chicken, and just look at how it has turned into the perfect golden brown color I am looking for. And guys, what do you think about this KFC fried chicken? Yes, it's Christmas already, so if you have the ingredients in your house or in your kitchen, just get right into it and prepare something for your family because they are going to love it as well. And did you hear that? It's very crunchy as well. So now I'm enjoying this KFC fried chicken with my sauce, and let me give it a bite for you to see the inside as well. And just look at the juiciness in this chicken. Yes, it's really fried very well and it's very juicy as well. So let's enjoy it with our red sauce and our mayo as well. This works like magic, but please, if you don't want to be fat, this is not for you. Just enjoy your chicken right away. Yes, and you can enjoy this with rice as well, or anything you can enjoy yourself with this KFC fried chicken. Thank you, sweet Ajele, for giving us this recipe. Thank you guys for watching this video. Bye bye and stay blessed.